An array of boats are in line as one reaches the entrance of Barangay Antonio in Candaba, Pampanga. Residents have their own boats docked nearby. With neck-deep flood water, residents would use a stick and hook to send their goods to the upper floors. Animals were also put on the roof to keep them safe. Bracing for the flood has been part of the lives of people here in Candaba. That is why boats such as this one are already on standby. It is not just used for fishing but also for the transportation of residents. Amid the heavy flooding, the Salidos refuse to leave their home.
Habang di po kami lumulubog sa loob, hindi kami aalis dito.
Most of the residents in Candaba opt to guard their homes instead of fleeing to evacuation centers. They say they have gotten used to flooding during the rainy season. They admit, however, that the water level exceeded their expectations this time. Residents appeal to their local officials to solve this perennial problem.
Sana yung mga drainage, sana maayos yung mga daanan ng tubig para hindi magbara yung mga tubig.
But local disaster officials say Candaba is a low-lying area, which serves as a catch basin for nearby upstream provinces such as Bulacan and Nueva Ecija.
Kung gagamit po tayo ng suction, is wala rin naman po yung output po natin, yung outlay po ang output ng tubig is doon po sa Pampanga River din po ilalabas.
As a temporary solution, the local government has created a cut-off channel to divert water coming from Pampanga River.
Ang ginagawa po niya is yung daloy po ng ilog hindi na po napupunta sa isang side lang po, no. Pagka tumaas po yung level ng tubig ng Pampanga River, dito na po siya dumediretso sa cut-off channel. Bali yung pressure ng agos nababawasan na.
According to the situational report, all 33 barangays in Candaba are submerged in water. However, if the good weather persists, the flood can subside in a week's time. Crissy Dimatulac, CNN Philippines.